Hey YouTube, we're in the backyard making some chili mole. We're gonna make some carne asada, quesadillas. And I wanted to tell you, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Gypsy Pitmaster. In the future, I'm gonna change it to something else, and I'll let you know what it is. But it's gonna have the same videos. It's gonna be me. It's just changing the name. But anyways, this is the way I make my chili mole. We got charcoal, and we got a piece of I don't know if you can see that piece of wood. That right there is plum. How can I say it? When you use fruity woods, it gives off a different taste, so that's what I do. And I burn the peppers really good, and that's the way I make chili mole. Stay tuned for the rest.
Yeah.
Hey, we're back inside, and I'm gonna show you the way I make chili mole. I found it's best to cut the ends off like that. You don't have to touch a pepper or nothing. Use a good clean shears, canay marime. It's not clothing shears, it's kitchen shears. And you can see our pepper is juicy, it's burned, it's all the way we like it. And you just cut off the ends, then just cut it in the bowl. And it comes out real nice that way. And there's no waste, I don't like the waste. You get the idea. We'll show you the finished product. Okay, we cut up all the peppers, but you see how nice the scissors does the job? We didn't touch no ito, and we chopped it all up. Now we're gonna get ready for the tomatoes in there, and we're just gonna dump it in there, all in there like that. Got all that action in there. And then you just do the same thing. See how nice and soft the tomatoes are? You get the idea, I'm cutting them all up. Okay, first I want to show you how the scissors did it. It's nice and chunky, not too mushy, not too big. That's the way we like it. And we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. A little bit of this Goya adobo. That's just for the Colombians in us. A little bit of that. A little bit of onion. You're making me sneeze. Black pepper, because we're home. Olive oil. Somewhere down the line we got some Italian in us. Well, you didn't hear it from me. Last but not least, salt. About that much. And then you mix. Try to get it all off the spoon. Oh, and a little bit of vinegar. If you ain't got vinegar, you can use mustard. Still good. No. Easy on the gallo, Jack. Okay, let me give it a taste. Bam. Everything's right on key. We're gonna heat it up a little bit, and then that's how you make chili mole.